quickly begin today's class with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Let's seek help from Almighty Allah with the du'as. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وزدني علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Okay, come on, please repeat this dua, beta. Alaiba, please repeat this dua.
اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا.
Okay, mashallah. So are you ready with your rough book with you, beta?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. So we'll quickly share the screen. These worksheets that you had shared in yesterday's class, inshallah ta'ala. So where are those? It's this one. Yes. Okay. So, okay. This is the worksheet of quadrilaterals chapter. Okay. Can you quickly tell me, let's revise what are quadrilaterals? Aliba, what is a quadrilateral? A bounded figure which has anything four, right? Yes.
Yeah.
4 lines, 4 vertices, 4 edges. Not edges, 4 lines and 4 vertices. That's all, right? Okay, mashallah. So the first question here is, a diagonal of a rectangle is inclined to one side of the rectangle. Okay. Let's create a space here. Come on. Okay. The first question, can you please read this question? Laiba, come on, read the first question.
A diagonal of a rectangle is inclined to one side of the rectangle at 25 degrees.
Okay.
The acute angle between the diagonals.
Okay. The question here is, let's create a rectangle. The question they have asked you is, if you have created a diagonal, okay, the inclination is how much? How much is the inclination given, beta? 25 degree. Okay. This is the inclination given. Okay. If we'll form another diagonal here, a diagonal of rectangle is inclined to one side of the rectangle at 25 degree. Okay. The question they have asked is the acute angle between the diagonals. Okay. Diagonals. So we'll draw 2 diagonals and we want to find the acute angle between the diagonals. This acute or this acute or this acute. Okay. Whichever among this you can find. Let's find this acute because it is nearer to the triangle and we can find it easily. Okay. Let's consider this triangle, beta. Which triangle can be considered? This triangle can be considered, right? Because 25 degree angle is given here. Right? So this is A, this is O. Let's consider A, B, C, D. Let this be O. So we have OAB, angle OAB, right? Do you know in a triangle, 2 inbound angles are equal to what? Can we not write this as in this way? एक second, how can we write this? Let's just say this. Okay. यहाँ पे किस तरह लिख सकते हैं हम? Okay. What we'll do here is, just a second, beta. There's some. Okay, fine. So, do we know that diagonals are equal in this rectangle? Do you know that diagonals are equal in the rectangle? 2 diagonals are equal? Yes, right? So, what do we infer from this? AC is equal to? What is AC equal to, beta? This AC equal to BD, right?
Yes.
Do you know this? Yes, we know AC is equal to BD. If AC equal to BD, then these 2 angles, these 2 sides also equal. For example, this triangle is formed, right? Triangle is formed. यहाँ पे AC is equal to BD है, ठीक है? AC and okay. Can you hear me, Laiba?
Yes.
Okay, there was a call here, so just dismissed. Okay, यहाँ पे we have A, D and O. So अब जब हम इस angle को देखेंगे, AC and A, B, C, D इस तरह लिखेंगे इसको. Okay, we have 25 degree here, bit. Okay, if AC is equal to BD, can we not infer AO is equal to BO? Can we not write this, beta? This and this are equal. किस तरह हम लिख सकते हैं? क्यों? क्योंकि half of this diagonals bisect each other, right? Diagonals are always bisecting each other. Bisect का मतलब क्या होता है? They divide each other into half, right? Correct? अगर AC is equal to BD, तो half of AC is equal to half of BD. Half of AC is nothing but AO. Half of BD is nothing but BO. So OB and AO are equal. Correct? In this triangle, AO और OB equal है. ठीक है? अगर AO और OB equal हैं, तो we can infer one thing. Do you know this? If opposite two sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. Do you know this?
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे कौन सा एंगल इक्वल रहेगा बेटा? एंगल ए एंड एंगल सी विल आल्सो बी इक्वल, राइट? इफ टू साइड्स आर इक्वल, then two angles are always equal, correct? We know this property of the triangle always. So यहाँ पे 25 degree, if this angle A is equal to 25 degree, then angle B is also equal to 25 degree. Done? तो यहाँ पे इसका 25 डिग्री मिल गया हमको, ठीक है? अब हमें चाहिए एक्सटीरियर एंगल. डू यू नो दिस? द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स. Yes, right?
Yes.
So how can we infer this now? 25 plus 25 is equal to how much? Sum of interior opposite angles. 25 plus 25 is equal to this angle x. Okay, exterior angle. हमें exterior angle ढूंढना है हमें. So x is equal to 50 degree. So is it right now? Is 50 degree available here in the choice? Yes, this is the answer to this. Understood?
Yes.
इसको किस तरह हम create करते हैं? Just write this rectangle. इसमें दो हम bisect करते हैं. जब bisect होंगे तो ये और ये equal रहेगा. Correct बेटा? We also know. So ये अगर this and this are equal, तो ये 25 degree है हमारे पास, तो ये भी 25 degree बन जाएगा. Correct or wrong? Yes. If this and this angles are equal, then the opposite angle, the exterior opposite angle, is sum of the interior opposite angles. Correct? So 25 plus 25 gives you 50 degree here. That's all. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's all. Okay, the next question, Alaiba. चलो, अब आप solve करके दिखाओ मुझे. Come on, can you solve this for me? Screen पर कर सकते हो? Alaiba, can you solve this on the screen? If not, you can solve in the rough book and send me the answer. Just give me the hint. Just tell me how to solve this. It's a rhombus, right? So if this is a rhombus, A, B, C, D बताया गया है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे जब A, B, C, D, when they say A, B, C, D, you have to write it in order. Order में लिखना होगा. A के बाद B, B के बाद C, and after C you can write D. Okay. The question they have told you is angle ACB is equal to 40 degree. Where is ACB now here, beta? Angle ACB diagonal draw करोगे तो मिलेगा, right?
Yes.
Yes, you will get it after you draw the diagonal. If you draw a diagonal here ACB, ठीक है? तो ये angle उन्होंने बताया है कि it is 40 degree. What did they tell you? It is 40 degree. Correct? अब जो एंगल आपको फाइंड करना है दैट इज ADB. ये एंगल फाइंड करना है आपको. आप किस तरह फाइंड करोगे? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी हाउ विल यू फाइंड दिस एंगल? Isn't this easy? यहाँ पे Z है, देखो Z. It's an alternate angles. अगर this is a 40, angle A will be 40, correct?
Yes.
And the angle made by the diagonals is 90 degree here. Correct? You know this already. So 90 degree is equal to 40 degree plus x. Is it right?
Yes.
How did we do this, beta? एक rhombus हमने draw किया है. एक angle यहाँ पे दिया गया है that it is 40 degree. Correct?
Yes.
तो ये angle हमें 40 degree मिल गया. Why is it this angle 40 degree?
Interior opposite angles.
Alternate opposite angles. Alternate, ठीक है? Z shape angles. क्योंकि हमें ये parallelogram, rhombus, opposite sides are parallel, right? This and this gets 40 degree. Alternate angles are same. But हमें पता है कि two diagonals when they intersect each other, they form a 90 degree always. Correct? 90 degree. यहाँ पे exterior angle is 90 degree. Interior opposite angles, we know that sum of interior opposite angles in a triangle, अब ये triangle consider करेंगे, is equal to the exterior angle. So 40 degree, इसको x लिख लेंगे हम, ठीक है? We want this angle. 40 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. Right, Laiba? What is x now? Solve for it. 40 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. Please solve for it. 40 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. चलो बेटा उसका आंसर बताओ. What is x? Soon. Like what is x?
50 degree.
X is 50 degree. Excellent. Do you find it in the question? Multiple choice here?
Yes.
Which is the option, please?
Option C.
Okay, this is correct answer. Is this done in your classroom? Is this solved? Is this worksheet being solved in your class?
No.
No, you have not solved this. Is the first time you're going to solve this?
Yes.
So please write all of this down in your rough book, beta. How I solved it, please write it down in your rough book. Did you write it? Did you write it, beta?
Yes, I wrote.
Okay. Now, do you want me to repeat this?
No.
No. Was it easy?
Yes.
Yes. So this is 50 degree. What was the previous one? What was the answer to previous one? 25 plus 25, right? 25 plus 25 gave you 50 degree again. The answer to this was 50 degree. Okay, the next question. If the angles ABCD of a quadrilateral ABCD taken in order are in ratios 3, 7, 6, 4, then ABCD is what? What is ABCD? Is it a kite? Is it a PGM? Is it a rhombus? How will you solve this, beta? They have just given you the ratios of the angles. Okay. Now they are going to ask you what angles are. जब ratios दिए जाते हैं, तो they are not giving you the certain thing. Okay. So what you have to consider here is angle A is equal to 3x. Okay. Angle B is equal to 7x. Please write this everything down, whatever I'm saying. Angle C is equal to 6x. Angle D is equal to 4x. Why did we write this like this, beta? Why did we write it like this? Because the ratios are given. Only the ratios are given. Correct? सिर्फ ratios दिए गए हैं, तो x इसके साथ जब मिलाएंगे तो we find the angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay? Do you know what is the sum of everything in the quadrilateral? All the angles का sum क्या हो रहेगा? This angles form 180 degree. This angles forms 180 degree. 180 plus 180. What is 180 plus 180, Laiba?
360.
180 plus 180 is? Laiba?
360.
Yes, it's 360 degree. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. What does it give you, beta? 360 degree. I've told you already, right? Whatever the quadrilateral be, 180 plus 180 gives you 360. The total angles, the sum of all angles should be 360 degree. Now, in order to find x, what we can do is a sum of all of these sides. Okay, 3x plus 7x plus 6x plus 4x. What is the sum of this? Is 360 degree. Now, Laiba, tell me what is. Come on, solve this algebraic expression and tell me the answer to x. X is equal to. Laiba, solve this algebraic expression. 3x plus 7x plus 6x plus 4x is equal to 360 degree in your book. And just quickly tell me the answer of x. इसका सम क्या रहेगा बेटा? 3x plus 7x plus 6x plus 4x. Laiba?
1.
What is it? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 89, 20. It is how many x?
20x.
20x is equal to 360 degree, correct? Now, how will you find the value for x? Only x. 360 over 20, right?
Yes.
What is 360 over 20? What is x equal to, beta?
18.
Is it 18 degree?
Yes.
Did you write it in your book? X is equal to 18 degree. Now what you have to do here? इसमें apply करोगे आप. X you have to apply in all of these angles. Come on, apply it. 18 into 3. Angle A कितना रहेगा? X का value हमें मिल गया, right? Angle A कितना रहेगा? 3 into 18. What is 18 into 3? Please tell me what is 18 into 3?
54.
54 degree. Excellent. The next one. Angle B कितना रहेगा? 7 into 18. What is 7 into 18?
126.
Yes.
126.
Excellent. What is 6 into 18?
108.
Okay. What is 4 into 18? What is 18 into 4?
72.
70 degrees. So हमें angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D of the quadrilateral we have gotten this way. Can it be a rectangle बेटा? Rectangle बनने के लिए क्या चाहिए था हमें?
Three sides.
नहीं, rectangle के लिए 4 sides है, लेकिन it should be 90 degree, right?
Oh, rectangle. Yeah.
But what did we get here? A, B, C, D. Rectangle बनने के लिए we need 90 degree, but we did not get, so it cannot be a rectangle. Next thing, rhombus उन्होंने बताया. Can it be a rhombus? Rhombus also has a 90 degree. It is just the twisted figure. You know this? Okay. Parallelogram तो बिल्कुल नहीं बन सकता. क्यों? Why cannot it be a parallelogram? Can you please tell me why it cannot be a parallelogram? अगर आप A, B, C, D लोगे यहाँ पे, C, D लोगे यहाँ पे, why can it not be a parallelogram?
I don't know.
Okay. I'll just tell you. Can we just try with the trapezium and see? But this can go with the trapezium. A, B, C, and D. No, we have to write it in this way. A, B, C, D. इस तरह लिखे, okay? Okay. A, B, C, D. यहाँ पे दो obtuse angle चाहिए, ठीक है? No, we should not write it in this way. Okay. How we can write it here is, if we go it in this way, it can actually cannot be a parallelogram because trapezium should have BC. The consecutive two sides are obtuse here, okay? Because this is obtuse. देखो यहाँ पे देखो B and C are obtuse here. इसीलिए आप नहीं कर सकते parallelogram, ठीक है? Why can't you do parallelogram is because I just told you this. This is the reason. यहाँ पे देखो, I'll just show you. If you have a parallelogram in this way, यहाँ पे obtuse है, right? Obtuse का मतलब 90 से बढ़कर, okay? बेटा, can you hear me?
Yes.
ABCD, अगर ABCD इसको लिखोगे आप तो देखो यहाँ पे, if this is 54 degree, yes बेटा, if this is 126 degree, is this 108? Can this be 108 degree? Can angle C be 108 degree? No, because यहाँ पे acute है. Acute का मतलब less than 90 degree है यहाँ पे angle. Can you see this? Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this cannot be parallelogram. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? समझ में आया या नहीं? Just tell me.
Yes.
Angle B or angle C, देखो यहाँ पे 126 and 108, these are obtuse angles, correct? More than 90 degree, right?
Yes.
When two sides are obtuse, that only occurs in trapezium, correct? यहाँ पे देखो ये भी obtuse है, ये भी obtuse है, right? So we can write A, इसको B लिख सकते हो आप, इसको C लिख सकते हो आप, इसको D लिख सकते हो. This could be fine. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes or no? If you would have written this in the parallelogram, you would not get this answer right. अगर इसको आप A लिखते, अगर इसको आप A लिखते, A is equal to 54 degree दिखाते, and this B, if you would write this B as 120 something degree, and if this is C of 108 degree, then this is wrong. Why is it wrong, beta? C should be acute. This and this should be equal, correct? Not about equality. Here there is an acute thing here, okay? There should not be an obtuse angle. That's all. Understood? Understood or not?
Yeah.
So this is a trapezium and not the parallelogram. That's all. That's all is the point. Fine. Have you written this down? All of the answers? Why was it a trapezium? Because two angles went obtuse, and then it cannot be in a parallelogram that two side by side angles are obtuse. That's all. The next thing, the question number 4. The diagonals AC and BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at the point O. If angle DAC is equal to 30 degree and angle AOB is equal to 70 degree, then angle DBC is equal to how much? Okay. What do you have here, beta? Please tell me the question and please tell me the data, what is given. What is given? Just tell me what is given.
Parallelogram AC.
There is a parallelogram ABCD.
Are the
Excellent.
diagonals.
They have a diagonal. Excellent. This is a diagonal. Then what they have given, beta? O midpoint, right? O is a point.
Yeah.
Then what they have given? Angle DAC is equal to 30 degree. इसको उन्होंने 32 degree दिया है, correct? And which angle they have given? Angle AOB is equal to 70 degree. This is same as the previous we had solved. External angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now they are asking you what is angle DBC. How will you find angle DBC? If you will find this angle ADC अगर मिल जाएगा तो DBC will be same as ADC. Correct? Correct बेटा?
Yes.
Yes. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? इसको x लिख लेंगे, ठीक है? If 32 degree, ठीक है? 32 degree plus x is equal to what? 70 degree, right? Right or wrong? Sum of two interior angles in a triangle is equal to sum of exterior angle. So exterior angle is 70 degree. 32 degree plus x is equal to 70 degree. What is x? Quickly tell me what is x. What is x, Liba? 70 minus 32. इसको 38 आ गया तो अभी can we not say angle B is equal to 38? Why? Because alternate. Z देखो यहाँ पे Z shape, correct?
Yeah.
This is Z shape, right? ADB, BDBC, Z shape, right? Alternate angle. So ये angle भी 38 रहेगा. So where is the answer? Which is the correct option here? A, B, C or D? Live question number 4. Which is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C. Did you write it in your book?
Yes.
Yes, all written. Alhamdulillah. The bisectors of any two adjacent angles of the parallelogram intersect at. Okay, the first question they have asked here is a parallelogram बताया, right? What are bisectors? Bisectors का मतलब क्या होता है? Bisectors का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? जो equally half करेंगे, right? Liba? What does bisector mean? I cannot hear you.
Divides.
Yes, they divide an angle equally into half. For example, if this is equal half, if this line divides it in 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 equal half, then is it actually the diagonal? Yes, right? Yes. Do we remember that the diagonals are exactly bisects each other and the diagonals form what angle, beta? Do you remember what angle do the diagonals form? Is it not right angle? Correct?
Yes.
So it is a right angle. So it is 90 degree. That's all. Right? Yes. The diagonals and the parallelogram form a right angle. That's all. It's 90 degree. Okay? So the next question, 6th question. Liba. Chalo jaldi mujhe batao. Read the question for me. Liba, can you please read the question for me?
If one angle of parallelogram is 24 degree, less than twice the smallest angle, then the measure of the largest angle of the parallelogram is.
Okay, ठीक है. एक parallelogram है हमारे पास. Let's write it as ABCD. Okay, Liba?
Yes.
Liba, please be attentive in the class. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Yes. तो parallelogram में उन्होंने smallest angle दिया है. They have not given the smallest angle. Okay. If one of the angle of the parallelogram is 24 degree less than the twice the smallest angle, let's consider this smallest angle as x. Okay. Let one angle be x. ठीक है? इसको x ले लेंगे. ठीक है? And then if one angle, let's consider that as b. ठीक है? ये angle. If this angle, इसके बारे में बता रहे हैं वो. One angle of the parallelogram is 24 less, okay? 24 less than twice the small angle. 24 less का मतलब minus 24, correct? 24 less than twice the smallest angle. Twice the smallest angle. So this will be angle B. Correct or wrong?
Yes.
देखिए इसका किस तरह लिख सकते हो? 2x minus 24 will be the angle. Angle what, beta? Angle B. समझ में आ रहा है? So angle A is equal to x. If you write angle A is equal to x, then angle B will be equal to x minus 24. That's all. अब हम उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, then the measure of the largest angle of the parallelogram. मतलब angle A is equal to how much? Angle B is equal to how much? अब आप ढूंढ कर बताओगे. किस तरह बता सकते हो आप? How can you say it, beta? You know angle A plus angle B gives you what? Like what is angle A plus angle B? Is it not equal to 180 degree?
Yes.
Angle, so angle A plus angle B, because sum of interior angles of a parallelogram are 180 degree, right? Of anything, even if it is a rectangle, even if it is square, the sum of interior angles will always be equal to 180 degree, right? Even if it is a triangle. So if angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, then what we have? X plus 2x minus 24, correct? For B, we have written 2x minus 24, and for A, we have written x. This is equal to 180 degree. Please write all of these down. Please reply. Now, what is the answer to x now? Find it out, beta. Soon. What is x plus 2x? Liva.
1 minute, I'm solving.
Okay. Please solve and tell me the answer to the x, just the x. Try to solve it quickly, beta. So x, just we have considered x as the smallest angle. And angle B is the largest angle. So x is equal to what?
1 minute.
How are you going to find? Where are you now, right now? Is it 3x minus 24 is equal to 180 degree? 3x is equal to 180 plus 24. X is equal to 180 plus 24 divided by 2. Yes, yes, please.
It's 68.
Excellent. The answer is 68 degree. But what do we need here, beta? The angle is the smallest angle, but we need the biggest angle, angle B, correct? Angle B का क्या होता है? 2x minus 24. यहाँ पे आप क्या apply करोगे? X you will apply here, right? 2 into, now tell me 2 into 68 minus 24. What is 2 into 68 first and then minus 24? This will give you the largest angle. That's all. Angle B will be the 2 into 68 plus minus 24. What is the answer here to this? What is the answer to this, beta?
Option C.
What is the answer, beta? Come on, tell me the degree.
112.
So it is 112 degree, right? The largest angle. Which is the option? It is option C again. Okay, so all of this was option C itself, right?
Yes.
No, for this one it was D. Okay, no problem. Okay, the next one. This is quite easy. You have to solve this and tell me what is the value of x. That's very easy. If it is a parallelogram, find the value of x. You know, in a parallelogram, there is a theorem which says the opposite angles in the parallelogram are what are it, beta? Are
equal.
Excellent. The opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So how will you infer this? Angle A is equal to angle C. So angle A is nothing but 3x minus 50 is equal to x plus 40. Now tell me what is the value for x soon. X is equal to how much? It's given here. What is x equal to, beta? Are you solving it?
Yeah.
Okay, mashallah. Do it. Are you done?
No.
Okay. Let's take your own time. Is it that difficult, Laiba? It's quite easy, beta. Do you need any help? Laiba, I cannot hear you. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, please tell me what is the answer. It's quite easy. Should I solve it for you? 3x minus 50 is equal to x plus 40. This is what you have to write. What is 3x? We just have to send this here. 3x minus x is 2x. And minus 50, you have to send it here. 40 plus 50. What is 40 plus 50? This is your answer. Just this. 2x is equal to 40 plus 50. What is 40 plus 50? 60, 70, 80, 90. 2x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 over 2. What is 90 over 2? To 1 times, to 4 times. What is the answer?
40.
45 degree. What was confusing in this beta? Please tell me what was confusing in this.
Solving separately.
Okay, so you found it difficult?
No, I think I got some multiplication problem or something.
Okay. It was multiplication problem. No problem. Okay. Was it easy, right? It's easy. It's just a 45 degree is the value for x. This is the answer to that. Okay. The next question here, beta. The quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the quadrilateral PQRS, for example, is taken in order as a rectangle. Okay, the question they have given here, beta, is if you have a quadrilateral, for example, ये quadrilateral आप रख लो, ठीक है? इस quadrilateral में अगर आप इसको midpoints को, ठीक है? Midpoints को mark करोगे, okay, if you'll mark these midpoints, and then you will form a line in this, okay? Then you want to have a rectangle here. क्या बोलो? इसमें आपको rectangle मिलना चाहिए, ठीक है? Can you get a rectangle in a parallelogram? Is it a rectangle, beta?
No.
No, this is not a rectangle. In a parallelogram, you cannot get a rectangle. So B option is wrong. ठीक है? Next we'll see. अगर rectangle के अंदर अगर midpoints join करोगे तो क्या आपको rectangle मिलेगा? Let's see that. Okay? Let's create a rectangle. इसका midpoints हम mark करेंगे. Will you get a rectangle now?
Yes.
No, we actually won't get a rectangle. It would be quite like a rhombus. For example, देखो यहाँ पे ये आपके पास rectangle है. यहाँ पे आप join करोगे. It won't be a rectangle actually. ठीक है? देखो यहाँ पे it won't be a rectangle. Okay? So PQRS is a rectangle. अगर rectangle रहेगा तो भी आपको नहीं मिलेगा rectangle. अगर parallelogram रहेगा तो भी नहीं मिलेगा. Next option. Diagonals of a PQRS are perpendicular. Okay, let's see. The quadrilateral formed by adjoining the midpoints of the sides of the quadrilateral PQR is taken in order as a rectangle if diagonals of PQR are perpendicular. First हम diagonals draw करेंगे, ठीक है? Let's draw two diagonals and make it perpendicular. Okay, then we will make a figure to that. Okay, and then we'll draw some points, midpoints, and then we'll draw this one. This is exactly a rectangle. Why is it so, beta? Can you please tell me why is it so? अगर diagonals equal रहेंगे तो you can easily get the inner part as equal, right? यहाँ पे this one and this one will be same, this one and this one will be same. This is actually the right answer. They are the option number C. Okay. Let's consider if diagonals of PQRS are equal. Equal से बढ़कर actually you need it perpendicular. ठीक है? If they are perpendicular, only then you can get the rectangle. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the answer to that. The option number C is the answer to this question. Okay. So we'll see the next page soon. I think we have time. Or we can solve two more questions, just two more questions. Okay. Which of the following is not true for a parallelogram? Come on, tell me which of the following is not true for the parallelogram. You already know the theorems. All in 7 theorems, you know it. Now please tell me which is wrong for the parallelogram. Read this question for me soon. Please, you have to read this for me, Peter.
Which of the following is not true for a parallelogram? Diagonals bisect each other.
Do the diagonals bisect each other? Yes.
Yes.
Is the opposite sides are equal?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Are the opposite angles equal?
Yes.
Correct. Opposite angles are bisected by diagonals. Is it right? Is it any theorem? No, we do not have any theorem telling this. So we only have these three theorems. This is wrong. Now, the next question here, beta. You have to solve this for me. Come on. Please tell me the value of x. It's quite easy. What they have told you is angle A is this much, angle B is this much, then the value of x is what? It is same as how we solved that way. The what did we solve? Angle A agar yahan rahega, angle B agar yahan rahega, so what is angle A plus angle B? Angle A plus angle B kya rahega beta? 180 degree, right? So 2x plus 15 plus 3x minus 25 is equal to 180 degree. Find the value of x sooner. It is quite easy. Are you solving it, beta?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Yes.
2x plus 15 plus 3x minus 25 is equal to 180 degree, right?
38.
Excellent. So option D is your answer. So were all these problems easy for you?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So it's fine now. Chalo, we'll see just 2 problems now. I think we can have time, just the 5 minutes left out. We'll see this problem. Prove that the diagonals of the parallelogram divides it into 2 congruent triangles. Is it the first one, first theorem? Diagonals of the parallelogram divides it into the congruent triangles. Correct? The first theorem on the parallelograms, beta. Do you remember?
Yes.
Do we want to do it for me? Will you do it for me? यहाँ पे सिर्फ diagonals बताया नहीं गया. They have told you diagonal. So you just have to write one diagonal and show that these 2 triangles are congruent. How will you show it? It's quite easy. I'll just tell you how you have to do it. Okay? चलो. यहाँ पे what you have to write, beta? You have to draw a parallelogram first. A, B, C, D. Correct? Liber?
Yeah.
Then write one diagonal because यहाँ पे question में क्या दिया गया है? Just a diagonal. ठीक है? एक डायगोनल 2 congruent triangles दिखाना चाहिए आपको. क्या किस तरह दिखाओगे? Triangle ABC and triangle ACD को congruent दिखाओगे. किस तरह दिखाओगे आप बेटा? Consider triangle. Okay, let's consider 2 triangles. Which are the 2 triangles, beta? Triangle ADC and ABC. ABC and wait. Okay. Anything. Okay. ADC and ABC. इन 2 triangles को consider करोगे. First, आप किस चीज को equal दिखाओगे? What is common here, beta? AC is equal to AC?
AC. Yeah.
It is a common side. Very good. Then show me another angle or something. Whatever it is, please show me. What you can show here? Can you not show alternate angles, alternate opposite angles? There is a Z here. Because in a parallelogram, 2 lines are parallel.
Angle.
Opposite. Which angle? Angle DAC. यहाँ पे Z form करो. You can form a Z here. Angle DAC is equal to angle ACB. Correct? So this angle and this angle are equal. Correct, beta? So which and which angle are equal? Angle DAC is equal to angle ACB, right? Why is it equal? Write the proof. Alternate opposite angles are equal, right? If they are parallel. Correct. So next angle, which is the next angle, beta? Which is the next angle that you can show? There is another Z form here. Please show me the next angle. एक और Z यहाँ पे है. Can you not see? DCA. यहाँ एक Z है. दिखाओ मुझे. Right? There is another Z here, beta. Yes. These 2 angles. So 2 angles मिल गए, एक side मिल गया. So which postulate will I apply? 2 angles on one side. A. Yes, A. So from A as a postulate, these 2 triangles are congruent. Is it not proven?
Yes.
It's done. This is it. This is it. You do not have anything more to prove. You just have to prove one diagonal. You just have to read this question very carefully, beta. Okay? You don't have to show congruency for 4 triangles. You should not prove 4 triangles here. You just have to prove for 2 triangles. Okay? That's all.
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. So, alhamdulillah. We are done with this question. We just have 2 minutes left. Okay. There is a question here. 3 angles of a quadrilateral are equal and the 4th angle is equal to 144 degree. Find each of the equal angles in a quadrilateral. How will you find this out, beta? How will you find this, beta? 3 angles of a quadrilateral are equal. For example, what did I say? Total angles are equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C in a quadrilateral equal to what? 360 degree, right? Sum of all angles is equal to 360. If three angles are equal, then it is 3x, right? X plus x plus x. What is it? X plus x plus x is equal to 3x plus what is d? It is given 144 is equal to 360 degree. Now you just have to find x. Find x, beta. 3x plus 144 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now find x. Aisha, what is the answer to this?
1.
What is x, beta? Aliba, right? I'm sorry, I just confused your name with the previous students. Okay, Aliba, what's the answer to this, beta?
Honestly.
Yes, it's quite easy, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a good hold in algebra? Or do you find algebra difficult?
No. Easy.
It's easy, right? Okay. Because these problems are algebraic, right? Algebra is quite easy. 3x is equal to 360 minus 144. What is 360 minus 144? It is 216, right?
Oh my.
Yes. Anything.
I
Okay. You have to see this properly, beta. See here, what did I tell you? 3x plus 144 equals to 360, correct? So what you have to do? You have to send 144 this side. If you send it on the other side, what you have to do is 3x is equal to 360 minus 144. What is 360 minus 144 gives you 216. So 3x is equal to 216. And what is x? X is equal to 216 over 3. What is 216 over 3? 3 1 times 3, 7 times 21. 3 2 times 6. X is equal to 72 degree. This is your answer. That is all. The question they have given you is find each of the equal angles is nothing but 72 degree. That is done. 72 degree. 72 degree. You have to write this, okay? Angle A is equal to 72, angle B is equal to 72, angle C is equal to 72, and angle D is equal to 144 degree. That's all. Understood? These problems are very easy. You just have to be well prepared. That's all. Come on. Two consecutive angles of the parallelogram are x plus 60 and 2x plus 30. How will you find? Consecutive का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Can you please tell me consecutive का मतलब क्या होता है? Side by side को बोलते हैं, correct?
Yeah.
Correct? अगर इसको x plus 60 उन्होंने बताया है, इसको 2x plus 30 उन्होंने बताया है, तो how will you find it? क्या करोगे आप? पैरेललोग्राम में sum of two interior angles is equal to what? Angle A plus angle B is what, beta? Parallelogram, triangles, anything. Sum of interior angles are
180.
excellent. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. It is nothing but x plus 60 plus 2x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Quickly tell me the angle x.
Angle x is only 72, right?
Beta, we did not find x here. It was the previous one. It is 2. It's done. The previous one is done. X is 72 degrees over. The next question. This is the next question. We are solving the third question now.
Oh, the third one. Okay.
Yes. The two consecutive angles. यहाँ पे उन्होंने question में बताया है. Two consecutive angles. Consecutive का मतलब क्या होता है? What did I tell you? What does consecutive mean? Opposite is different. ये और ये angle A और C opposite होंगे, correct? Angle A और B, angle A and angle B are consecutive angles. Remember this. अगर angle A plus angle B क्या बनेगा? They have told you angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, but they have told you the angle A is x plus 60 and angle B is x plus 2x plus 30. Now tell me what is the value for x. That's all. This is the third problem, okay? Come on, tell me what is x. Soon. Let's see how well you can do in algebra. X plus x. It's quite easy. X plus x, 3x. 60 plus 30, 90. 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. What is it? 3x is equal to
90.
90. Correct? What is x equal to, beta?
30.
Excellent. This is 30. X is equal to 30. And then can you not find this angle? ये angle क्या बनेगा? Please tell me angle A क्या बनेगा? 30 plus 60. What is 30 plus 60?
90.
90. So angle A is equal to 90. What is angle B, beta?
90.
It's 90. So the question they have told you is what special name can you give to this parallelogram? Angle A भी आपको 90 मिल गया, angle B भी आपको 90 मिल गया. So what is this parallelogram named as?
Rectangle.
Excellent. This is a rectangle. So this is it. This is a rectangle. Where this problem's not easy?
Yes.
Yes, alhamdulillah. So can you not solve 4, 5, 6 problem as a homework for me and send it to me?
Okay.
This weekend, inshallah. 4, 5, 6 are the problem for you. Inshallah, you have to solve. It's quite easy. Quite मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा easy है, ठीक है? You can just solve 4, 5, 6 problem and send it to me as a homework. Okay, that's all. Inshallah, we'll solve the rest of the problems in next class. That is the next Monday, inshallah ta'ala. So these case studies are quite easy. We can do it, inshallah. But 4, 5, 6 आप मुझे भेजना ही होगा, okay? Inshallah. Okay, jazakumullah khairan. Have a happy weekend. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.